So, are you guys struggling to save money for your new smartphone or your new car? Is your regular income not enough to fulfill your needs or to buy the things you love? Now you can start earning some extra money on Olymptrade. Olymptrade is a trading app which allows you to trade in the world of binary market. So start trading now. To download the app, go to the link in the description below. Welcome to our channel. So right now we are at the Caravan Menu, which is a buffet restaurant, and a very great offer is going on over here. There is 50% off discount on the total price per person. So the menu of 700 rupees is going to be 350 for us. So both of us will be having the lunch, the humongous lunch in 700. So let's go. So first let's talk about the ambience of the place. So this place is very vintage in style and the colors used are very fresh and bright, and it's a travel themed restaurant, so there are travel posters and travel antiques everywhere. Overall it's a quite happening and lively place, and the seating arrangement is also very creative and colorful. So now let's move on to the food part. The service starts with some barbecue starters and the grill is on your table itself. You are supposed to serve yourself by taking off the starters from the skewers. According to your choice, you can ask for veg, non-veg or both. All the starters are freshly prepared and delicious. Some of the starters like the roasted chicken leg piece, the mutton kebabs and the Cajun potatoes are served by the waiters separately. The fish that is barbecued is the basa fish, and it's really soft in texture. Our favorites from the non-vegetarian starters are the chicken kebabs and the basa fish. And from the vegetarian option, we absolutely love the Cajun potatoes and the barbecued mushrooms. There is also a live counter near to this hall in the balcony area where they serve pastas, some dumplings. Both the pastas and the dumplings over here are cooked perfectly and they are really yummy. For the pasta, you can select the toppings as well as the type of pasta and also the choice of sauce. We selected a mixed sauce pasta. They also serve chaat at the live counters, and the taste is quite ordinary, nothing special about it. Now let's move on to the main course section. The main course is served through a buffet system, and now you can check out the whole menu of the main course section. So there are so many different varieties of cuisine served, like North Indian, Mughlai and also Chinese. And then there is some Thai food too. Both the vegetarian and non-vegetarian sections have a lot of variety.
We tried some Thai fish curry, some egg curry, some mutton made in Mughlai style, and also the methi murg. The Chinese menu included the usual options like the manchow soup, veg Manchurian and Hakka noodles. My favorite from the main course was the mutton Mughlai gravy. The meat was cooked perfectly, it was tender and it was perfectly flavored too. The Chinese food was okay in taste. And now comes the best part, the desserts. There are popular Indian desserts like piping hot gulab jams, firni and pumpkin halwa as well. Other desserts include pastries, cheesecakes, fruits, custard and also chocolate brownies. Anyone who has a sweet tooth will absolutely go mad over the desserts served over here. The desserts are the best part of the whole menu, so whenever you visit here, make sure you have some extra space in your stomach for these delicious desserts. And the fact that you can have an unlimited quantity of them is just amazing. If all that is not enough, then there is some ice cream and hot jalebis at the live counter.
Hi guys, that's it for the day and it was a good deal for rupees 350.
Yeah, so if you like this vlog, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to our channel for more travel and food vlogs. Goodbye.